You teachers have a tremendous impact that you can make on their lives and therefore on our state as well. As your students grow and learn, they will remember you as an outstanding influence in their lives. And as was spoken earlier, they may see you years from now in a store and run up to you and say, "Do you remember me?" We don't change that much at our age, but you do. So help us all when you do see us. Tell us who you are, and we will remember you. I'm sure that they will definitely remember you at that time. I still remember those special teachers of mine, and that's been a few years ago. So remember that. To work along with the parents and the guardians in shaping a children's future is one of the greatest responsibilities and privileges that a teacher can hold. Thank you for what you do every day, teachers. I'm sure these students love you for it.